Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to show you iMIS 20, the one system that engages everyone. My name is Graham Fredrickson, and I will be walking through the features and benefits of iMIS 20 with you. Let's start by learning a bit more about you. Do you ever feel like you're a servant to your technology needs? Is your website full of links to download forms or email to register or learn more? Is your number one job managing disconnected systems that break more than they work? You are not alone. But what if you could give members and donors the tools they need to interact with you from their computer? What if staff had full donor and member management capabilities on a tablet so they could maximize their time away from the office? What if anyone with a smartphone could use your website easily? And what if one system could do everything your organization needs? The answer to these what ifs is iMIS 20. iMIS 20 is the one system that engages everyone, anytime, anywhere, and on any device. And the power lies in the web. iMIS 20 allows you to focus on the key areas your organization needs to ensure growth for the future, to recruit more members and new donors, to engage with everyone as you've never been able to before, to measure interactions, whether commerce or other types of engagement, and ultimately, to grow your organization's profile, brand, and member or donor base. iMIS is unique. iMIS is the one system that provides all of the functionality that your organization needs. You can manage your entire organization's web presence or build an engaging member portal. You can take advantage of traditional CRM or AMS features, but they're just a part of what iMIS offers. You can incorporate social content and social sharing into everything you do. Build private communities for secure dialogue and document sharing. You can use a wide variety of commerce features for membership, donations, events, certification, and an online store in a PCI compliant way. You can offer your users the ability to build and promote their own profile. And mobile? It's just there. iMIS 20 is built on a web platform, so you can easily build engaging content that understands the device being used to access it. This is called responsive design. And with iMIS, responsive design and responsive content are yours when you get started. By now you've heard me say web and web platform many times. The power of iMIS. What makes it unique from other solutions is that we offer the power of the web with everything that you do. iMIS 20 offers an engagement database to manage all constituent information. On top of that, iMIS 20 layers the power of the web to offer all the flexibility you need to maximize everyone's interactions. That's why we say iMIS is the one system that engages everyone. Does that sound exciting? Have I caught your attention? Engagement starts with your website. Believe me when I say that? You should. Today more than ever, you need to use your website, not just to offer information to visitors, but to help them take the next steps forward. To trust you. Show visitors that you're the best at what you do. To catch their attention. Let's face it, brand and beauty matter. Let's take a look at one beautiful website built using Rise, our web platform. This website is built using iMIS 20. The Australian Institute of Professional Photography used an iMIS starter site to get started. They kept much of the look and feel of the site and asked their members, who are professional photographers, to provide the content. All member features for joining and renewing were just there. Events, they were just there. The Australian Institute of Professional Photography was able to get up and running with a beautiful website quickly and easily using iMIS 20. iMIS 20 makes this easy. iMIS offers more than a half a dozen quick start sites to help you get going. What is a quick start site? It's a website, already installed, that uses our more than 20 years of experience with nonprofits to offer starter design, starter content, and starter navigation. Your job, should you use iMIS to be your public website, is to edit. Yes, edit. Not create, not write, not ask every department for requirements, just edit. Let's take a look at a few of our Quick Start sites. Let's start with a member-focused Quick Start site with Join Now and flexible member renewals already set up for new and renewing members. This site also has events and a store ready for your members to use. The navigation and content are already in place. All that is needed is for you to edit and add your content. iMIS also offers a Quick Start site for foundations, built on our years of experience working with fundraising organizations. We incorporate compelling ways to give and content designed to engage new volunteers and new donors. Does anyone here do multi-day conferences? Is it a pain to build out all that content? Well, iMIS 20 makes it easy to build a site for just that conference by using a conference-oriented Quick Start site. These are just 3 examples of ready-to-go websites that offer a combination of beauty and expertise in the needs of nonprofits like yours. The iMIS 20 Rise web platform is key to building engaging websites and making managing websites easy. Our goal is to give you the tools to meet all of your needs. If you've already invested in a new site built in WordPress or another tool, you don't have to leave the room right now. Stay. Learn about the capabilities iMIS offers for building an engaging member or donor portal, and know that if you need to build a new website for a specific purpose, iMIS can help you. I've shown you a client's website that was built thanks to the power of our Quick Start sites. But today, we can't talk about the web without talking about mobile. We're committed to making mobile easy. How? Let's start by looking at another client's website. This is American Hort. They're a new organization that had only 6 weeks to build a new website after a merger of 2 groups. This website is the result. Also, this website is responsive. This site resizes and reorients the content based on the device that accesses this site. Responsive design is a standard design in iMIS 20. One site, one piece of content. Anytime, any place, any device. Let's take a look. Here we are back at our membership Quick Start site. I'm going to show you what makes this site responsive. It has the ability to resize and reorient its content based on the device that accesses it. Watch what happens when I shrink my browser. First, mid-sized. You can see where the content is maximized on the browser, but it looks the same. What if I squeeze in the side to be about the size of a phone? Do you see the differences? Notice the icons at the top. I'm going to drag my browser out again. What happens to them? What about our menu? We see About Us, Membership, and so forth across the top. But what happens when I squeeze in again? What happens to our menu items? They become icons once again. This is powerful. It's one website, one set of content, but iMIS is smart enough to know how it should display. There are also times when a mobile-specific website is the way to go. This is especially true when you're at the annual conference. We all know those people who go to a conference with 1,000 other people, but spend it focused on their phone. A mobile-specific website can offer all the benefits of an app with none of the pain of developing an app. iMIS gives you the tools to build mobile-specific websites, and this mobile conference site is another example of a Quick Start site that you can use for a conference. Whether you're building a full public site or a mobile site, iMIS makes it easy to get up and running in days, not weeks or months. We give you the design, the structure, the content, and even mobile capability. It's all available from day one. iMIS is unique. With Rise, you have one system that empowers you to easily create and personalize all content on your website, including member self-service, community engagement, commerce features, and all without any programming. I'm going to log in now as someone with permission to edit content on our website. When we log in, we are directed to a personalized homepage that I'll describe in more detail later. All of this personalized content can be updated right here. I'm going to click on one of the icons and open a dynamic content item that's reading data within the iMIS 20 engagement database. Do you see why we say that RISE is our web platform for the engagement database? It's powerful, isn't it? Here we see the important options that can be applied on just this page. Let me point out a few. The options for which device you'll show this content item on. It's easy, and by unchecking the mobile phone box, this content won't show to a mobile phone user. You can see where you can make different items visible as well. You can show addresses, make items editable or read-only, and allow the member to update the important details that are used to calculate their membership fees. Saving the changes is easy. One click and it's done. Let's shrink our browser, refresh, and see our changes. How many of you in the room wish you could make changes to personalized content on your website with just a couple of clicks? I hope you see why we say that iMIS is unique. It's the only system that puts the power of the web in your hands. Other content on this page includes discussion groups and pieces of HTML content that highlights our upcoming conference. All types of content are easily edited directly on the page. I'm sure you'll agree that beautiful and powerful websites are at your fingertips when you use iMIS. We make it easy for you to get started. Thank you for watching.